Now let us again revise our principle and philosophy. That what is our aim? Our aim is to protect our existence head to toes. This is our aim. Then we have to learn lifestyle, how to listen, how to see, how to smell, how to taste, how to touch. These 5 sense organs, they are bringing me realization about this universe. In order to have 5 sense organs, we have 5 organ of action. For example, if ear is sense organ of hearing, then what is the sense organ of action? That is the vocal cord, voice box. We talking, we are creating sound waves. Therefore, organ of action is laryngeal apparatus. Sense organ is ear. In the same way, each sense organ is having its organ of action. Let us see the eyes. What is the function of the eyes? To see, to observe. How to expand vision? Then organ of action we need. That is the both legs. With the help of both legs, sometimes cycle is working like a leg, motorbike, car and Hawai Jahaz, aeroplane, ship, many are working like a leg. Therefore this leg, head to toes, within toes to head, and try to feel where is the leg. Try to understand leg, you will find expanded. But here I am taking the leg from the lower back up to the toes. This is called organ of action of vision. In the same way, the taste bud is, tongue is called the sense organ of taste. Its corresponding organ of action is genital organs, reproductive system. In order to expand your taste, in order to accept the taste, how to maintain the lifestyle based on the taste, then you should have full control over the reproductive system. If you can control over the taste, you will have the healthiest reproductive system. What is the ill-healthy condition? Excitation. When the reproductive system having excitation, that is called sickness. It followed by depression. In this condition, we lose our intelligence without any doubt. Therefore, on the platform of 5 sense organs, hearing, touch, vision, taste, smell, corresponding organ of action is there. And through this sense organ of action, what we perceive, what is that? Immortality. Death cannot exist. Try to kill someone. If you are going to kill someone, that someone will manifest in more dangerous way. Therefore remember, we should never have thought that death exists or you can destroy something. Never have thought of mortality. Have only one thought, that immortal exists. There exists immortality, nothing else. This is the most important point. Now we are going to practice presence of immortal consciousness, because immortal only exists. Then how to perceive immortality, we are going to practice few minutes together. आइए कुछ मिनट तक हम अहिंसा शक्ति का दर्शन करें. Let us dedicate ourselves few minutes to experience presence of non-violence, presence of ahimsa consciousness.